In my opinion, itikaf is a form of worship where we silent, concentrate, and then we do it by performing tahiyatul masjid, and we can do several acts of worship like zikir, reading Quran, salawat to Prophet Muhammad, and others. We can also reflection to ourselves.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How do you usually practice to playing a keyboard?
I usually practice with my teacher in my home.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai bilingualiers, welcome back to MTSB channel. MTSB Choice. Credible, high quality, objective, integrity, construct Amalia Aswaja, excellent. Okay, so in this occasion, we will discuss about the material of iktikaf. But before of that, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Naila Atika from 8.2, and there's my friends. My name is Aisha Pulizayati. I'm from 8.2. Okay, so Aisha, have you heard about the word of iktikaf before? Of course, I have heard the word of iktikaf before. And Naila, have you done iktikaf before? Yes, I have performed it every day, especially when I'm at school. Mr. and Man always remind us to always perform iktikaf when we are in mosque. I also perform it when it was the time of Ramadan. Okay, Aisha, can you tell me what is your opinion about itikaf, and can you explain to me about what is the meaning of itikaf? In my opinion, itikaf is a form of worship where we silent, concentrate, and then we do it by performing tahiyatul masjid, and we can do several acts of worship like zikir, reading Quran, salawat to Prophet Muhammad, and others. We can also reflection to ourselves for the sin we do in the past, and we can improve ourselves so that we can be a better person for the future. And Naila, did you know what is the pillars of itikaf? Okay, thank you for your explanation, Aisha. Of course, I know the pillars of itikaf. The pillars of itikaf, first is intention. Second is staying in the mosque and being silent. And the third is in the mosque, the person is performing itikaf. Next. By the way, Aisha, do you know the procedures or the order of itikaf? First, when we want to do itikaf, we should purifying ourselves from hadas and najis, and then we come to the mosque. And this not obligate, but we can do tahiyatul masjid prayer for that aim to respect the mosque that we use for itikaf, and then we can just silent, concentrate, and doing several acts of worship like zikir, salawat to Prophet Muhammad, and reading Quran. And also we can doing reflection for ourselves, and we can remember what sin we do in the past, and we can improve ourselves so that we can be better person in the future. And Naila, we have know the procedure of iktikaf. When I do itikaf, I usually not focus when do it. So, did you have some tips so that I can focus when doing itikaf? Okay, so to be focused in performing itikaf, Aisha, you can first is improving your intention, and then second is perform it well, and the last one is perform it in the holy condition from hadas and also najis. So we have know how to focus during itikaf, and then we also know the pillars of itikaf and procedure of doing itikaf. And Naila, what is the benefits when we doing itikaf? Thank you for your question, Aisha. Actually, the benefits of itikaf is many. Okay, so what I know, the benefit of itikaf, first it can guard ourselves from the badness, like something that can make us get sins from Allah, and then it also can make us get closer to Allah, because when we perform i'tikaf we also perform other worship like zikr, and then salawat to Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and also read Al-Quran.
Okay, so guys, we have know how to doing itikaf, and then um, the procedure of itikaf, and then how we can focus on itikaf, and we also have know the benefits of itikaf. Some people's doing itikaf on the month of Ramadan, where it's the 10 days last in Ramadan month, where some people are catching the Lailatul Qadar night by doing itikaf. So Iktikaf has so many benefits for us, so it's important for us to doing iktikaf.
Okay, Aisha, thank you for your all of explanation. Because of you, I know all about i'tikaf. Okay, so all we think our explanation and discuss is enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.